Are you looking for a historic neighborhood in a top-notch school district in Pittsburgh, PA? Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in the South Hills, Virginia Manor in Mount Lebanon. Stick around as I break down the pros, the cons, who this community is perfect for, and whether this vibrant area is the right fit for you. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living, eating, drinking, and playing in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to find out what's happening here in Pittsburgh. Today, we're exploring Virginia Manor in Mount Lebanon, a thriving suburban community just south of the city, known for its top-rated schools and beautiful neighborhoods. As a realtor passionate about helping families find the perfect home in Pittsburgh, I've had the pleasure of working with buyers and sellers in Virginia Manor, one of Mount Lebanon's most prestigious and architecturally stunning neighborhoods. Whether you're considering a move, selling your home, or just curious about what this neighborhood looks like, here's what you need to know. So what makes Virginia Manor so special? Virginia Manor is a historic and highly sought-after neighborhood in Mount Lebanon, PA, known for its tree-lined streets, stately homes, and a true sense of community. Established in the late 1920s, this neighborhood was designed to follow the natural landscape, which gives it a unique and picturesque feeling compared to other suburban areas. When buyers reach out to me about Mount Lebanon homes, Virginia Manor is often on their radar because of its beautiful high-end homes and timeless architecture. Prime location make it an easy commute to Pittsburgh and the airport. Top-rated schools in the Mount Lebanon School District, one of the best in Pennsylvania according to niche.com. Strong community ties where neighbors actually know each other. But like any neighborhood, there are pros and cons, so let's break it down. The pros of living in Virginia Manor: architectural beauty and historic charm. The homes in Virginia Manor are nothing short of stunning. As a real estate agent who studied architecture at the University of Pittsburgh, I absolutely love walking through these homes and seeing the craftsmanship, from the original hardwood floors to intricate moldings and slate roofs and grand fireplaces. Buyers who appreciate character and quality construction love what Virginia Manor offers. A true sense of community. This is one of those neighborhoods where people actually know their neighbors. Block parties, neighborhood events, and a sense of pride in homeownership make it feel like a place where you can put down roots. Convenient location. Virginia Manor is just a short drive from downtown Pittsburgh, making it ideal for commuters who want suburban charm with city access. Top-tier schools. Families love that Mount Lebanon School District is one of the best in the state. With multiple Blue Ribbon Awards, a focus on academics, and excellent extracurricular activities, it is a major draw for buyers looking for top-notch education. Parks and recreation. There are nearly 200 acres of parks, public golf course, swimming pool, tennis courts, and even an ice rink. So if you're into golf, jogging, walking, or anything outdoors, this is the spot for you. So what are the challenges of Virginia Manor? Higher price tags and higher property taxes. If you're looking for a charming home in a prime location, it comes with a cost. Virginia Manor homes tend to sell at a premium, and property taxes in Mount Lebanon can be a little bit higher. Home values in this area consistently appreciate, making it a solid investment. Older homes require maintenance. While historic homes are gorgeous, they often need more upkeep. Think updating electrical, plumbing, slate roof repairs. As a real estate professional, I always advise buyers to factor in the cost of potential updates or renovations when purchasing here. Limited new construction. If you're looking for a brand new home, you're not going to find it here. Virginia Manor probably isn't for you. This neighborhood is all about preserving historic charm. However, buyers who love classic architecture and custom renovations will feel right at home. So what's the real estate market here right now? In Mount Lebanon, the average home is worth around $465,000, and homes are selling in about 49 days. Here in Virginia Manor, it's closer to $600,000 to about $1.5 million or higher. The market in Mount Lebanon remains competitive, but buyers are still willing to pay a premium for the right home. So what's life like if you live in Virginia Manor? Picture this: waking up in a beautiful tree-lined neighborhood, sipping your coffee on your stone patio, and waving to your neighbors out for their morning walk. Your kids can walk or ride their bikes to school while you take a short drive or hop on the T to Pittsburgh. In the evenings, you head for Beverly Road for dinner at all of our favorite spots like Mullet's or Mediterra. Weekends are spent golfing, ice skating, shopping at South Hills Village, or exploring Pittsburgh. Speaking of shopping, your nearest grocery stores are going to be Giant Eagle and Shop and Save right down the street, or Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Target more towards the village. And if you like weekend projects, Lowe's is right down the street or Home Depot at the Village. Living in Virginia Manor is about embracing a lifestyle that balances historic charm and modern convenience. If we haven't met yet, I'm Krista Lorenzo, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move in Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.